Premast provides access to thousands of unique templates for creating stunning professional presentations at your fingertips. Included are templated solutions to help you create master presentation designs, complete with branded content. You can choose from among thousands of pro presentation designs with templates, graphics, icons, and more. Premast is a great alternative to other market-leading solutions like Slidesgo and Templafy. Create brand kits and collections, complete with collaborator-accessible personal libraries from within PowerPoint. Premast is best for presentation makers looking to simplify and organize design assets for branded PowerPoint and Google Slides creation. As you can see here, Premast gives you access to hundreds of templates organized by purposes specific to various professional fields. Premast is designed for branding, and the built-in brand kit tools save you a ton of time. Unlimited brand kits allow you to manage, utilize, and share brand assets throughout a company or team. This is especially helpful for agencies making decks on behalf of clients. With Premast, you can access company logos, colors, fonts, and images from within the brand kit folder, almost like a digital style guide. An added plus is the ability to share kits among invited team members through granted permissions is perfect for cohesive creation. Here is a great example of how to unify your presentations through brand kits that you can share with your team. Premast offers 10 GB of cloud-based storage, so you can have more accessible files than you have users on your Netflix account. Create as many cloud collection folders as you need to keep track of assets and access them from within presentation softwares to save you time. Premast, you can even collaborate with team members to create collections that have input from multiple departments, teams, or creators. On this page, we show you how to upload your own documents and files to keep, share, or use inside of Microsoft PowerPoint. Upload files into cloud-based storage for handy access, sharing, and collaboration of brand content. You'll be able to implement Premast's ready-made templates into multiple presentation mediums, whether it's PowerPoint or Google Slides. Templates are organized by category to fit your many styles and uses, and you can choose from among mockups, social media layouts, and more. The platform is always keeping up with market needs to accommodate new design trends. Premast has tons of available templates to personalize and take full ownership of presentations specific to professional fields, such as business, medical, marketing, education, sports, lifestyle, and more. With Premast, you have access to the asset library of visual content from within presentation programs. Creating presentations doesn't need to be as difficult any longer. Now you have Premast. With pro templates and organized assets on your side, you can bring dazzling branded presentations to life in just minutes. Stop struggling with limited default templates. Get lifetime access today. Check out the link in the description below. If you like this deal, check our videos for many more excellent deals on software. Consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel if this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.